In the mood of an addicting being a watch, there is no better place to look than a good Korean drama, more popularly known as K-dramas. Korean television has quickly become a global phenomenon over the past decade right alongside the best Korean movies and now. Thanks to streaming services like Netflix, they are easy to watch than ever, ranging from sap romantic comedies to action-packed crime thrillers. The very best Korean dramas have everything from highly entertaining storylines to the most swoon-worthy romance scenes. And of course, some of the most intense plot twists that make these shows so immensely captivating. Now we'll discuss different 14 Korean drama that are most popular and being watched. At number 1, Itaewon Class, one of the most popular K-dramas of 2020. Itaewon Class follows an ex-convict named Park Sae-ro-hee who opens up in bar in Seoul's Itaewon neighborhood, determined to take down the CEO of powerful food conglomerate who had hand in both his father's death and his prison sentence. Honestly, we are sold already. At number 2, the drama name is Crash Landing on You. This widely popular 2020 hit, which also achieved the title of the second highest rated cable drama in Korea, offers everything from star-crossed lover to an engaging plot. A paragliding mishap causes a South Korean woman to crash land in North Korea, where she is rescued by a North Korean officer who attempts to safely get her back home. At number 3, Memories of the Alhambra. If you love a good drama with sci-fi and fantasy elements, Memories of the Alhambra offers a truly irresistible watch with a highly creative plot involving an innovative virtual reality game. A hostel owner who was formerly a talented guitarist and beautiful backdrop of Spain, Integroid yet. At number 4, Vagabond. For those who love non-stop action and conspiracy plots, Vagabond follows a stuntman named Cha Dal-gyeon who embarks on a dangerous investigation after a mysterious plane crash kills his nephew and ends up uncovering intricate terrorist conspiracy with the help of National Intelligence Service agent Go Hae-ri. At number 5, When the Camellia Blooms. A single mom opens up a bar named Camellia in a small town where she becomes the subject of constant gossip and falls in love with the local police officer. But this one's not your typical rom-com. It also features something truly sinister in the background in the form of serial killer on the loose. At number 6, Mr. Sunshine. In this revolting historical drama set during the Joseon dynasty, a young Korean boy who escapes to America returns to his homeland decades later. Now a captain of the US Marine Corps, he falls in love with the noble woman who secretly involved in a networking fighting for the Korean independence. At number 7, Descendants of the Sun. In this 2016 K-drama, smash hit, a star-crossed romance ensues between a soldier in the Special Force Unit and a trauma surgeon not convinced yet. The series was actually so popular that it's been translated into the over 30 languages and has even been credited with boosting Korean tourism and culture. At number 8, Inheritors. Also known by the title of the Heirs, the popular K-drama hit from 2013 follows a group of wealthy, privileged high scholars fated to take over their family businesses as they deal with issues in family, romance, school, and friendship. You will be instantly hooked by the dramatical storylines, intense love triangles, and more. At number 9, Kingdom. If there is one being better than a historical drama, it is historical drama with zombies. With Netflix delivers in this popular 2019 original series set in the Joseon period, a crown prince must save his kingdom from the spread of mysterious plague overtaking the land, which transform people into the undead. At number 10, Romance is a bonus book. Looking for that classic light-hearted rom-com K-drama, this one from 2019 follows a gifted writer at a book publishing company who meets a farmer copywriter who is also a divorced single mother desperate from work. Romance ensues, of course, and the rest in charming story worthy of the entire book. At number 11, Extracurricular. In this recent Netflix K-drama, a model high school student gets involved in a world of serious crime in order to pay for college, but then runs into complication when a classmate discovers his secret double life. This one will have you at the edge of your seat the entire time. At number 12, the drama name is Signal. For fans of exciting crime thriller, Signal follows the story of a criminal profiler but has a truly compelling twist. He has a mysterious walkie-talkie that can allow him to communicate with a detective living about 25 years in the past. Can this help each of the men solve their hardest, most unsolvable cases? At number 13, It's Okay to Not Be Okay. A touching tale of emotional healing is at the center of the It's Okay to Not Be Okay, a romantic drama series that follows a caretaker at a psychiatric ward who meets a popular children's book author with an antisocial personality disorder. Praised for shedding light on issues of mental health, this moving series is sure to pull at your heartstrings. At number 14, if you love House of Cards, you will definitely enjoy this gripping political career drama from 2019, which follows the lives of politicians in the National Assembly who attempts to climb up the political ladder and get involved in the scheming, illicit affairs and criminal activity along the way. That's all of today. Please like my videos. Hope you like my videos. Subscribe my channel. Please click the bell icon for more such kind of videos and suggest more dramas name in